Let's learn how to enable the LED flash notifications feature on your iPhone in just a couple of taps. This feature uses your iPhone's camera flash to blink whenever you receive a notification, call, or alert. It's a visual cue that grabs your attention immediately. Let's start by opening our settings page on iPhone, then find this accessibility section. The next step which I have to do is to scroll down a bit until you find the hearing section, which is going to give us this audio and visual option. So tap on this because this is where our option is going to be. From here, I'm simply going to scroll all the way down towards the bottom until I see this LED flash for alerts. So let's tap here. The option is disabled for me, but I'll just tap on this switch and then the iPhone is going to flash when I receive a text message, an alert, when someone is calling me, and so on. There are two more options at the bottom, and you can select whether you want the phone to flash when it's unlocked and when it is in silent mode. This is up to you, so you can customize this and then you won't miss your important notifications from now on. If this guide was useful to you, then please consider leaving a like because it would really help me out. Thanks for watching.